In today's video, I will teach you how to add an HDR-like effect to normal photos using GIMP. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through adding an HDR-like effect to a regular portrait photo using GIMP. This technique involves utilizing basic GIMP filters like unsharp mask and neon, along with layer manipulation to enhance the image dynamic range and create a vibrant look. Start by launching GIMP and opening the portrait photo that you want to enhance. Duplicate the original image layer to preserve the original photo. You can do this by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer, or using the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-D. Now we're going to apply the unsharp mask. With the duplicated layer selected, navigate to Filters, then Enhance, then Unsharp Mask. Adjust the settings to your preference. A typical setup might include a radius of 45 and an amount of 1.50 and a threshold of 0. Now we're going to rename the layer. After applying the Unsharp Mask filter, rename the duplicated layer to Unsharp Mask for better organization. Now, duplicate the Unsharp Mask layer to create another copy. Name this new layer Overlay Unsharp Mask. With the Overlay Unsharp Mask layer selected, add a layer mask by clicking on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Ensure the layer mask is selected, then fill it with a black color to hide the entire layer content. Then select the brush tool and choose a circle fuzzy brush with a scale of 10. Set the opacity of the brush to 50, then set the foreground color to white and paint over the areas with highlights on the layer mask. Focus on enhancing the highlights and details such as wrinkles and bright spots. Now, duplicate the unsharp layer once more and rename it as Neon. Place the neon layer above all other layers in the Layers panel. Then go to Filters, Edge Detect, and select Neon. Adjust the settings such as radius of 6 and an amount of 0 to achieve the desired neon effect. Now, change the blending mode of the neon layer to Screen. This will blend the neon effect with the layers below, creating a vibrant look. And to fine-tune the effect, duplicate the neon layer and reduce its opacity to 50. This helps to balance the intensity of the neon effect with the rest of the image. By following these steps, you can effectively add an HDR-like effect to your portrait photo in GIMP, enhancing its dynamic range and giving it a captivating look. Experiment with different settings and adjustments to achieve the desired result for your image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.